Hi, my name's Matt. I'd like to welcome you to this Zinniac ITIL for Managing Professional Transition Training course. This is an accredited training course, so we need to show you the copyright statements which you can see to my left. In this training course, we'll be covering the full ITIL for Managing Professional Transition syllabus, and that covers the foundation, create, deliver and support, drive stakeholder value, high velocity IT and direct, plan and improve segments. It doesn't cover the full syllabus of all those qualifications, but I'll be telling you exactly what it does cover, and be rest assured that we'll be covering everything you need to know to pass the exam. When you're ready to take the exam, head over to zindiac.co.uk where you can purchase the full course package, which includes the sample exams, the official sample exams, and the official PeopleCert exam code, so you can take the official sample exam online with PeopleCert. Here you can see the full array of ITIL 4 qualifications that are open to you. So if you have no ITIL 4 qualifications, no ITIL qualifications, you would start with ITIL Foundation, ITIL 4 Foundation, and from there you can progress to either ITIL Managing Professional or ITIL Strategic Leader, or if you like both, and then on to ITIL Master. We'll be focusing in this video on ITIL Managing Professional. So in order to achieve ITIL Managing Professional, if you haven't got any ITIL qualifications, you would start with ITIL Foundation. You would then take each of the 3 ITIL Specialist qualifications: Create, Deliver and Support, Drive Stakeholder Value and High Velocity IT. Once you've passed those, you can then take the ITIL Strategist, Direct, Plan and Improve, and when you pass that, you get not just a Direct, Plan and Improve certificate, but also an ITIL Managing Professional certificate. So the ITIL Strategist qualification is very much a replacement for the Managing Across the Life Cycle certificate in ITIL version 3. The good news for you, those of you who are either ITIL experts or had 17 points under the old ITIL V3 scheme and were ready to take the Managing Across the Life Cycle exam, you can go straight to the Managing Professional Transition training course, this training course and qualification, so you don't have to take all the individual qualifications. The ITIL for Managing Professional Transition certification allows the use of Managing Professional designation, and the syllabus is based on the Managing Professional syllabuses, mainly focused on new areas with very little of the practice related content, but we will shortly go through each of the Managing Professional areas and show you exactly what you need to know for the transition scheme. There is no separate publication for Managing Professional Transition. It relies upon the other publications for ITIL 4. I won't read them all out, they're listed there. There is one for each of those exams, and there is also a publication for each practice. So if you want more information on any of the practices, you can purchase and read that particular publication. In terms of the syllabus is based on part of the publication. Some of the publication isn't examined, and also questions related to practices that are particularly relevant to that qualification. The style of all ITIL 4 Managing Professional qualifications, they are all now 40 questions, standard, multiple choice, 4 multiple choice, A, B, C or D questions at Bloom's level 2 and 3, so some at 2, most at 3. The pass mark is 28 out of 40 or 70% or higher, obviously. Duration 90 minutes. If you're taking the exam in your non-native language, you get 25% extra time or 113 minutes. No materials permitted in the exam. It's a closed book exam. Prerequisites for all ITIL 4 Managing Professional exams is an ITIL 4 Foundation certificate, and you must have attended an accredited training course like this one. That doesn't go for Managing Professional Transition, so you must have attended an accredited training course, but you don't need ITIL 4 Foundation to take the transition, Managing Professional Transition course, because Managing Professional, as we'll see shortly, includes the foundation element. So Managing Professional Transition, this training course covers 30 to 40% of foundation, create, deliver and support, drive stakeholder value, high velocity IT, and direct, plan and improve. And I'll show you exactly what it covers now. So for foundation, we cover the first 5 syllabus elements, but not the elements 6 and 7 that cover the practices. So they're not covered within this course. But the number of questions, there aren't as many questions. So 6 out of the 40 questions, or 15%, obviously in the foundation exam, there are 40 questions. For create, deliver and support, we cover the whole syllabus, but there are only 8 questions rather than 40, so it's 20% of the transition exam. Drive stakeholder value, we don't cover syllabus elements 2 or 5. It's 9 marks out of the 40, or 22.5% of the transition exam. High velocity IT, we cover the first 3 elements, we don't cover 4, and it's 9 out of 40 marks on the transition exam, so again 22.5%. And finally, direct, plan and improve, we don't cover syllabus elements 1, 4, 6 or 7. It's 8 out of 40 marks on the transition exam, or 20% of the Managing Professional Transition exam related to that. So, in summary, Managing Professional Transition provides experienced practitioners who already have ITIL V3 Expert or ITIL V3 17 points on the certification scheme, the ability to obtain the Managing Professional designation, but it doesn't provide you with the same level of knowledge. So what we recommend you do is follow this training course, take the exam, pass the exam, get the certification so you can call yourself an ITIL 4 Managing Professional, but then go back and follow the full course for all the elements. And those full courses are available to you with Zindiac for no additional charge. So you don't have to pay any more money to us, but we are providing those to you free of charge, the additional elements, so that you can gain that full amount of knowledge. So if you go into an interview, for instance, you've got the Managing Professional certification, but you've also got the level of knowledge that the interviewer would expect to back up that certification. And we will be releasing practice-specific videos. So if you want to drill down into a specific practice and get more knowledge on a particular practice, you will be able to do that with Zindiac as well. Keep a lookout for those. Do make sure you subscribe and switch on notifications, because then when we release those videos, you'll get notified about them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of the ITIL 4 Managing Professional Transition training course. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And all I've got left to say now is good luck with the exam when you get there. And until I see you again, have a great day.